Hello folks, welcome back to this episode of Ask Lawyer Jon. I recently did another episode of Markarian Monday's podcast, and I got some calls from people who were wondering what you should do immediately following a car accident. Alright, so these are some of my pointers as far as immediate actions to take at the scene when you're involved in a car accident. Every second here counts, folks. If you've been involved in a car accident in California, again, every second counts. Here is what to do to protect yourself and ensure smooth resolution. So first and foremost, should be obvious to everybody, prioritize safety. Move your car out of traffic if it's possible. Then turn on your hazard lights. To minimize further collision and allow emergency services to have access to you, moving the car over to a safe location is a very important point. If you're moving your car, or if it's unsafe to do so, if it's unsafe, then stay put and just turn your hazards on. If you're moving your car, if it's safe to do so, then do so safely in a safe manner where you're not causing additional collisions and injury to yourself. Alright, so it's also very important to document the scene. Before moving your vehicle, if it's possible, take photos, videos, document the accident scene, including the damage, skid marks, and any road conditions. Capture injuries if it's possible. Date and timestamp everything. Keep records. This only strengthens your case. Okay, so third thing to do, call for help. Dial 911 immediately, regardless of the severity of the car accident. This is something I recommend to everybody. It obviously documents the case, but it also basically gets you the medical attention if needed. This is the fastest way to get medical attention. 911 will send you a first responder, whether it's a paramedic or LAFD or LAPD or any other department. First responders are the quickest to the scene as opposed to you trying to go to a hospital or urgent care or emergency room. When you call, explain the situation clearly, mention your injuries, and wait for instructions. These are trained folks, people at 911. So they will give you the instructions if it's necessary. Fourth thing, gather information. Once it's safe, exchange information with all involved parties. Exchange names, contact details, insurance information, vehicle details, including make, model, and license number. Be calm, be factual, avoid admitting fault. That's a key. Remember, avoid admitting fault, people, and get witnesses' information if there are any witnesses, obviously. All right, folks, remember, seeking medical attention, even for minor complaints, is crucial. It cannot be understated. Some injuries, such as whiplash that I mentioned earlier, may not show symptoms immediately. You may feel this 24 hours later, 48 hours later, whatever the case may be. Seek medical attention. Cannot be understated. This guide provides you with a starting point. It is not a substitution for contacting a personal injury lawyer such as myself who has experience handling these types of matters. So after you've done all those things, feel free, reach out to me, 877 Markarian, or you can look up on my website, markarianlaw.com. There's a ton of information there, and there's also forms you can fill out to contact me in writing and send out any documents you might have. Okay, again, folks, my contact information, reach out to me. If you are involved in a car accident, call 877 Markarian or look up on my website, markarianlaw.com. Reach me through there. All right, folks, stay safe, be alert, and especially on days like this that it might be slippery, reduce your speed, and again, just safety first. All right, folks, have a good Monday. I'll talk to you next time. Thank you.